Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel that is Next Education. Students, in this video we are going to start a new poem of class 3. The name of the poem is Trains. The Trains poem, composed by James S. Tippett, is a beautiful piece in which the poet expresses the usefulness of trains in our lives. A train is a railway wagon with multiple bogies which is moved by a locomotive engine that carries many passengers, mail and cargo from one place to another. It carries thousands of freight cars while rushing through the railway tracks from dawn to dusk and helps passengers in reaching their destinations while crossing many mountains, plains and rivers. So students, let's start the poem together. Before starting the poem, I just wanted to ask you a very simple question. Students, have you ever traveled on a train? I think many of you have already traveled on a train, and we know that we really enjoy traveling on a train. So students, let's read and enjoy this poem. Trains over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. This beautiful poem was written by James S. Tippett. So students, let's recite the poem again. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mail, bringing their precious loads in without fail. Thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. This poem was written by, as I told you, James S. Tippett. So students, let's do the new words of this poem. First word is mountains. You can see the image of these new words also. Second word is passengers. Third word is rivers. Fourth word is precious. Fifth word is mail. Sixth word is plains. Seventh word is dusk. Eighth word is dawn. Now students, I hope you really enjoyed the poem. So students, for your better understanding, please read and recite the poem again and again at your home.